Hello. In this short video we will give a brief introduction to AT Control's new ES Series Resilient Seated Butterfly Valves, as well as cover some of the important features and differences from AT Control's current OS/OC Series and NS Series Resilient Seated Butterfly Valves. The ES Series Resilient Seated Butterfly Valves will be replacing AT Control's current OS/OC Series Resilient Seated Butterfly Valves. Many of the features and characteristics from the OS/OC Series valves will carry over to the new ES Series. Some improvements and additional features from the OS/OC series to the ES series include square stems up to 24-inch for direct mounting, a new A395 ductile iron body from the A536 ductile iron body on the OS/OC series, a new standard stem material of 431 stainless steel from the 420 stainless steel stems on the OS/OC. The 431 stainless steel stems are stronger, which improves the stem mast values. The ES Series wafer bodies up to 12-inch will also accommodate the standard ASME B16.5 Class 150 end connections, as well as EN1092-2 PN10 and 16 and JIS B2220 10K end connections. Up to 12-inch ES Series valves will be rated to 225 psig, up from 200 psig on the OS series. To address some of the important differences between the ES and OS/OC series, we will start with the design. The design of the ES series valves is similar to the OS/OC as they are both cartridge seat style valves. However, the ES series do not have a bottom entry stem and instead have a through shaft design with the disc. The face-to-face dimensions for both valve series are designed to API 609. The mounting pad on the ES series will retain all the same ISO 5211 bolt circles as on the OS/OC series, and for some sizes may have additional F patterns. The stem drive on the ES series is a square stem for all sizes up to 24-inch. This differs from the OS/OC series where up to 12-inch was a square stem and then 14 through 24-inch was a double D stem. One important note for the stem square is that on the 10-inch ES series, it is different from the OS and has a 0.866-inch stem square instead of the 0.748-inch stem square on the OS series. CV values for the ES series are comparable to the OS/OC but can vary depending on size and disc angle due to the through-shaft disc design. Torque values for the ES series are very similar to the OS/OC series. As far as components, there are no components that are shared between the ES series and the OS/OC series. Now, we will cover the ES series differences with our NS series resilient seated butterfly valves, starting with the design. The through-shaft disc design is the same between the ES and NS series valves. The seat design does differ between the two as the ES series have a cartridge seat style and the NS series have a vulcanized bonded seat. The NS series will continue to be the option for dead-end service and NSF 61 and 372 applications. The critical dimensions for the ES series, like the mounting dimensions and face-to-face, will be the same as the NS series. CV values for the ES series will also be the same as the NS series due to the valves having the same through-shaft disc design. Torque values for the ES series are also the same as the NS series. Some components, like the disc, will be shared between the ES and NS series valves. Now we will quickly go through some of the technical details and information for the ES series valves. The ES series valves will be available in sizes from 1.5" to 48-inch with lug and wafer end connections available. They have a cartridge seat style design and bidirectional bubble tight shutoff. There are many body, seat, and disc materials available, and the valves can be fitted with manual handles and gears as well as pneumatic and electric operators. These are general purpose valves that cover a wide range of applications. The ES series are designed with the standard seen here. They also have CRNs for Canada as well as ABS type approval. As mentioned previously, they feature a square stem up to 24-inch with an ISO 5211 mounting pad for direct mounting. The valves have a concentric stem and disc design. The rubber seat will protrude from either side of the valve and act as flange sealing gaskets, so no additional flange gaskets are needed. AT Controls can assemble up to 12-inch in-house to quickly produce many different component material configurations. The lug and wafer end connection standards can be seen here, which can vary based on valve size. One important note is that for sizes 28 to 48 inch, the wafer and lug valves feature the same U-type flange, but lug valves will have threaded holes and wafer valves will have clearance holes. 1.5" through 12" valves are rated to 225 psig, and 14" through 48" valves are rated to 150 psig. PTFE seat valves are only rated to 150 psig and 90 psig respectively. The ES series are rated to 0.01 torr vacuum, and undercut discs are only rated to 75 psid. Undercut disc torques are provided in the catalog in a separate table from the standard torques. Exploded bill of materials are available in the catalog for reference. As seen here, there are 3 different size groupings for different materials and components. The ES series will be available in a new resilient seated butterfly valve catalog in place of the OSOC series. A new IOM will also be available for the ES series. As seen here, a new part number matrix will also be used for the ES series and will be available in the catalog. As always, for more details and information on all of the dimensions, ratings, and specifications, please reference the applicable catalogs and IOMs on AT Control's website. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Brian Wright. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. We always have engineers and our highly qualified technicians at the ready for any of your questions. For further information, go to atcontrols.com or call us at 513-247-5465. As always, we thank you for your business.